This video delves into the most cutting-edge, secure, and flexible method of user authorization. We'll explore what JWT is, how it functions, and compare it with other authorization methods. We'll cover access and refresh tokens. We'll discuss its advantages and disadvantages, and look into the best practices. So, let's go! JWT, or JSON Web Token, is a simple JSON object made up of header, payload, and a signature that ensures the object's authenticity. It's called a token because this object is transformed into a short string. It's so straightforward that it's not immediately obvious why this method has revolutionized authentication. To understand this, let's look at how we used to authenticate users before. The first was basic auth. Simple but fundamentally insecure. It involves sending usernames and passwords encoded in base64, offering no security and easily intercepted, especially before HTTPS was widely considered. Following that was session-based auth. In this case, user authentication data is stored on the server, and users send session ID instead of login credentials. This method improved security, especially with HTTPS, but posed scalability issues due to the constant user verification and permissions check. Then there was SAML, Security Assertion Markup Language, offering greater security and flexibility with single sign-on capabilities. However, it was complex and heavy. All of these methods have had their time, but the advent of microservices architecture required a new solution that was secure, efficient, and scalable. JWT was the successor that solved most of these problems. Let's take a closer look at how JWT works. JWT is a set of data signed with a secret key. The data usually consists of two parts. First, the header typically contains the token type and sign-in algorithm. Second, the payload, carrying codification and additional data, often including the user's ID, role, permission, and token expiration time. The token is completed with a signature, encrypting all data with a secret key known only to the signer. To verify authenticity of an object, the object is resigned and the signatures are compared. These three parts create an object that not only carries information, but also ensures that the data is consistent and accurate. Now let's look at the benefits that JWT offers. JWT's standout feature is its ability to provide fast interactions and scalability for web services. With payloads, there is no need to store or access user information on the server, which improves speed significantly. Due to its compact size, JWT can be quickly transferred between client and server, reducing response time. JWT is based on statelessness, or state independence. Each token contains all the necessary information for user authentication and authorization, making each request self-sufficient. This eliminates the need for session storage, allowing the token to be freely passed between microservices, resulting in a cleaner and more efficient architecture. With JWT, information is securely encoded and signed. This signature ensures the token is authentic and unchanged, providing a secure way to transfer information over the internet. Furthermore, when used with HTTPS, JWTs offer an additional security layer, protecting against man-in-the-middle attacks and ensuring data remains confidential and intact. These are all great benefits, but what challenges we might face using JWT? A challenge with JWT is token management. Once a token is issued, it remains valid until it expires. But what if you need to revoke access immediately? Or what if token was stolen? This is where access and refresh tokens come in. Access tokens are short-lived tokens allowing authentication, while refresh tokens are one-time tokens that can issue a new access token along with a new refresh token. Short-lived tokens minimize the risk of unauthorized access if intercepted. Storing tokens securely on the client side is crucial to prevent interception, a known drawback of JWT. Always use HTTPS to prevent token interception during transmission. This fundamental but crucial practice protects data integrity and confidentiality. Ensure your JWT's signature is created using a strong encryption algorithm. Weak algorithms can make your tokens vulnerable to attacks. Regularly change the secret key using for signing tokens. Set a short lifespan for your access tokens. Short-lived tokens reduce the risk in case of compromise as they quickly become invalid. Use refresh tokens for longer sessions. They allow issuing new access token without requiring the user to log in again, balancing security and user convenience. This token should be single-use. Apply the principle of least privileges. Include only the necessary permissions and information in each token to perform intended operations. This minimizes potential damage if the token is stolen. Let's summarize. We've explored the evolution of authentication methods from the simplest to the modern JWT, discussed security issues and their solutions. We've examined JWT's structure and functionality, understanding how their compact and self-sufficient nature offers significant advantages in terms of speed, scalability, and security. We also looked at the challenges with token revocation and discussed solutions. Ultimately, JWT, like any technology, isn't a one-size-fits-all solution. They offer tremendous benefits, but also require careful implementation and management. Understanding their pros and cons is the key to effectively leveraging their capabilities while minimizing potential risks. If you found this overview of JWT interesting, please like and share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more insightful content on web technologies. Thank you for joining us. See you soon.